Choosing the best women's e-bike can be tricky, but we've got all the advice you need to select the right model for you. A women's electric bike is a female-specific version of a motor-assisted ride that takes some of the efforts out of pedaling. Electric bikes are like conventional bikes, but with a battery and motor. This means there are road, hybrid, and gravel-specific versions of e-bikes, meaning there's a range to match the purpose of your riding. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 9, ANCHEER 26-inch. This ANCHEER bike, though, has 4.5 stars overall with over 250 ratings, and plenty of 5-star reviews. It looks similar to the Charge Comfort, with a low step-through frame, the battery housed under the rear rack, and a sturdy frame and fenders. Also, like the Comfort, there's a 250-watt motor, a built-in headlight and taillight, and a thumb throttle. To say the least, the ANCHEER electric mountain bike received mixed reviews. Those that received a functioning bike were pleased with a budget ride that usually did the job. The 10 to 40 miles range, depending on the assist mode used, covered needs for commuting, shopping tips, and errands. Riders often sought more resistance from the drivetrain, which seems somewhat undergeared. If you're set on ordering from Amazon and this is in your budget, go for it. Number 8, VIVI Folding MO26 TGB. If you are planning new adventures for weekends, then you must try VIVI Folding electric bicycles. These models have many features. It has built-in LED headlamps that keep you safe even in the dark. It is foldable when the e-bike is not in use. It can touch speeds of 20 miles per hour without even pedaling. The model is the best e-bike to purchase for under $1,000. However, VIVI Folding e-bike is 90% contented to assemble and the control mode is easy to calibrate. Number 7, DOST Drop CVT. A comfortable step-through electric bicycle with updated parts and the option of a second battery pack. The customized stem helps in fitting a 100mm spring suspension, which provides the preload and pressure lockout. The top tier is around 2.4 inches wide. With the product, some additional ornaments are included, like cup holders, mirrors, and a child seat. The 750W Bafang BBS02 engine is edge fabricated. Also, lodging keeps the e-bike safe and reduces noise. Number 6, BLIX AVENY SKYLINE. BLIX AVENY SKYLINE is a perfect e-bike if you look from all angles. The rack on the e-bike can carry stuff easily. Also, the model consists of both an electric assist and a throttle up to 20 miles per hour. BLIX AVENY SKYLINE has an inbuilt Shengi motor that can propel up to 20 miles per hour and sustain a range of 40 miles per hour. Apart from that, a welded box is being attached to the e-bike to keep the controller safe. It joins rear brake lights and has a faux leather-stitched ergonomic grip. However, it has aluminum platform pedals with grip tape and appears to have both front and rear wheels which embody a 160mm rotor. Number 5, GAZELLE MEDEO T9. The smooth assistance feature of GAZELLE MEDEO T9 carries through a Bosch Active Line Plus motor with 50 nanometers torque. Equipped with a high step frame battery along with a dynamic frame style. In addition, the commuters would enjoy comfortable riding with powerful disc brakes. The blend of high-quality parts and a 50mm suspension front fork makes this electric bike more outperforming. Number 4, TREK Dual Sport 1. TREK Dual Sport is a best-performing e-bike. It comprises Bosch 250W pedal assist. This e-bike is a great companion and a trustworthy product for all the girls. TREK Dual Sport is a synthesis of Active Lines plus 4 selectable modes. It sports 63mm size wheels that enable it to roll over any trail. The aluminum frame of the model gives a relaxed riding experience and increases reliability. The tires of the product are Bontrager's LT2 Comp Hard Case Proof, which protects the tires from any kind of rupture. Number 3, Canyon GRAIL CF7. The Canyon GRAIL CF7 is an award-winning bike. The material being used is carbon and provides responsive handling on sprints and descents. The motive to come up with this e-bike was to deliver a comfortable ride. The VCLS 2.0 saves you from gambling on any gravel or pit. The highly equipped tires and the rim are efficient enough to float over any hard terrain. All thanks to the Gen 4 CX Performance Bosch motor, Shimano GRX shifting brakes, and high-quality DT Swiss wheels. Number 2, RADCITY STEP-THRU. The latest generation of our sleek STEP-THRU commuter bike includes frame attachments. RADCITY STEP-THRU models have optional wheel lock, making them even better for running quick chores than any prior models. The RADCITY STEP-THRU has a low step frame design that allows you to get closer to the handlebars. With all of the advantages of the RADCITY with a more manageable package, this is the true pleasure cruiser you like most. This is one of the best electric bikes for short females by just integrating a step-through feature. Number 1 we have on our list is Live-Thrive E+1. Despite the price and unbending seating, Live-Thrive E+1 Pro is sufficient enough to offer you the best cycling experience. The product is integrated with Smart Assist technology, automatic adjustable support level according to your preference. To incorporate speed, a sync drive promoter is there to provide you with a powerful yet enjoyable experience. The motor also has a smart support feature with a pedal plus 6 sensors technology. Moreover, the product accommodates a sleek design and 360% max support, also gives you a connectivity mobile app for compatible rides. I hope, in this video you get to know more about the e-bikes for girls. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.